I was going to start recording here, but I guess my cat decided that she needed to sit on my lap, which never happens. Mistral just came out with Mistral Dev, or DevStral is what they're calling it, I think. I saw the post on LinkedIn, and so I just installed the new vibe coding assistant that they have. I'm actually just going to set up the Mistral Vibe for the first time. So I already installed it. I went to the curl, and the curl command is this. I'll link all that in the description and also in the comments on my LinkedIn. But now how you start it is you just type vibe. And this is the first time I've set it up. Let's see what happens. Oh, cool. So it's going to ask me, what do I want? Select my preferred theme. Of course, we're not going to go anything near bright mode. No, but I like Tokyo Night. I actually kind of like Tokyo Night. I'm kind of between that and I think Dracula. Most of my coding for the longest time has been Monokai. But you know what? Let's do Tokyo Night. I'll go grab my Mistral API key and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to drop that in here. Okay. So let's zoom out a little bit. I've got a empty directory. Although if I say this, my kids will say, technically, Dad, it's not empty, because I have, with an open API spec for a fleet management API and a project. Can you start with the project plan and implement the phases in succession. Okay, so let's see what happens. That's how easy it was to start off with Mistral's new vibe coding CLI. Now, there's a lot more of the video that's going to be coming, but for this case, I just want to give my first impressions, and then you can watch my test video coming out in a couple weeks. But overall, it is very token efficient, it's fast, and I really like it. If you want to watch the rest of that video, stay tuned on Postman's YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.